how to raise your vibration. Let's go! Number 1, the information that you consume has a great impact upon your life. By choosing to consume uplifting information and positive information, you are going to raise your vibration. Number 2, meditation. By doing daily meditation sessions, you're going to declutter your mind, giving you more space and disattachment from yourself and from the thoughts, giving you space, freedom, and peace. Number 3, spend time in nature. Especially walking barefoot is beneficial for our bodies. It allows us to get rid of all the things that are stuck within our body and let it right into the center of the earth. Number 4, have a gratitude practice. By choosing to focus upon elevated states of emotion, you're going to be drawing those events that resonate with that state of emotion. Number 5, give yourself an aim. By choosing to aim upwards, you automatically are going to be driven towards things that are going to be uplifting you, things that are going to get you closer to your goal, and as a result, to the life that you always wanted to live. I'm very excited to invite you, my friend, to my workshop in Iceland. It's going to last for 6 days, where we're going to be meeting in order to build our connection with ourselves through the use of affirmations and meditations. You'll learn how to let go of your traumas and different dramas in your life, changing your life, raising your vibration and expanding your awareness. So if you are interested, click the link in the description and I'll see you there.